guys, how's it going? I hope you're all doing really, really well. This is a completely different kind of video for me. However, it's been requested a couple of times, so I thought, you know what? Fuck it, I shall have a go. You will see from the title, it is an evening routine with 3 children. If you are used to watching typical, like, Instagram mums who live in grey houses with clean children and no mess, this is probably not going to be for you, because let them live their amazing lives, fucking have it, amazing for them. That is not what this house is like. And my children are not. There's no grey in this house. Actually, fucking lied, my bed's grey, but then it's covered in shit and there's crap on the walls and the floor and everywhere, to be honest. And my kids aren't clean, they're all actually in the garden at the moment. I thought I would show you. So if it's your first time here, I only get professional stuff like this with really good lighting. I'm Lucy. There's loads of fucking cats in this house. There's 4 to be precise. There's 3 children who are Gary, get in. Gary's not a child, Gary's a cat. Oh my god, let me just, sorry, I realised I had music playing in the kitchen and I didn't want to get demonetised. So it's 4:40 in the afternoon, it's Wednesday, Ben's on holiday this week and it is the summer holidays. So I have just started cooking dinner, we're having nachos tonight. And everyone else is outside in our hillbilly garden. Fox is on the trampoline there and his trousers have fell off because he's been in the sprinkler. Yeah, let's go out and see what they're doing. So what's happening here? Your trousers have fell off and you fell off a step. Do you want to take your trousers off? No. No, you're just going to walk around like that? So, this is a typical summer holiday evening routine. Where are you going with the boogie board? Boogie board! I'm doing the sprinkler closer. I'm going in. Yeah. So, they will just play outside with Ben while I make dinner. When Ben works, he works from home, Ben does. So, he usually works from 8 till 4, so he'd be finished now anyway. If he's worked from like 9 till 5, he'd still be at work. I just chuck the kids outside by themselves. I'm in the kitchen here, and I can see them there. So, for now, what's happening is I'm making that, they're outside, we'll come back at dinner time. Posse, where are you? Here. Where are you? Here. Are you in sync, Bob? Yeah. A lucky boy. So, he had to go in the sink bath. That's what he's requested. Mika, go upstairs and put some clothes on. They've all come in because I'm cooking dinner and they're all soggy. So yeah, Fox is in the bath. Ari's here, playing with Foxy's early birthday present from my next door neighbour. She's going to feed the cats in a minute, aren't you, Ari? They all know that it's nearly dinner time, so they're just waiting for it. Fox, who is 3 in 2 days, has had a nap, but a really awful sleep last night. So he's having shreddies for dinner and he's going to go to bed early. But you can clear the table for me for dinner, please. Thank you. Do you want to help your sister? Don't drink that because that's old and you're going to get a new one. Fox is having a meltdown in the playroom because he's tired. The girls are going to clear the table for me. And then we're going to have our dinner. Nacho meat is looking good. Ben is in there with Fox. I'm not just ignoring him. Just to let you know.
I didn't want this one.
You don't want that on. You going to bed?
Yeah.
Can I have a kiss? I love you.
Sorry.
Not as much as he loves watching himself in the
You
camera.
do love watching yourself on there, don't you? Whose birthday is it in 2 days?
Yeah.
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 Fox has gone to bed. I'm prepping salad for the week and because we're having it for dinner as well. You can't fucking see what I'm doing, can you? For sake. Hey, blobbers. They're good. Who loves Nacho Wednesdays? Me too. So mine's a little bit different. They have just nachos with loads of cheese melted, and I just cook some nachos to make them warm and crunchy, and then put them on salad, crunch them up with some beef and some jalapenos and some nacho cheese. We do normally eat with Daddy and Fox, don't we? Unless Foxy's had a bad day, and he's had a bad day today with not sleeping properly. So Daddy and Fox are in bed, and then Daddy will be down in a bit to have his dinner. And then what do we do after dinner every night?
Uno.
We play Uno that she's just dropped, but that's fine. I know.
How long will that stay for?
Don't know. A couple of days.
Just go fast.
Ari's. Nope. Ari.
And it's yellow. Yellow or skip. Oh, it's yellow.
Red.
Uno.
Uno.
Oh. My go?
Yep.
Uno.
Nika.
Yeah.
Yes!
I had pick up 7.
That, I think, was our quickest game ever.
I got pick up 7.
Nika got pick up 7, but it doesn't matter now. So normally, if we were scoring, Ari would have got 3, I'd have got a 0 because I won. And Mika would have got 50 for that. And then, what have you got? 14, 20, 27. So she'd have got 77 for those cards. But we're not doing that.
3.
We're just saying that Mummy won that round.
Yep. She gets.
Found it. Can I help you just laying on our cards? Who's got to pick up 4? He literally doesn't give a shit. Bandit! Bandit!
It's alright.
What did you do today, Ari?
I made my
No stabiliser, Daddy's down. It's, what time is it?
Ready?
7.
20 past 7. And we're about to play Uno. Who's going to win?
Me.
Who won all the games while Daddy was upstairs?
Mama.
We'll see if Mummy wins again.
I got.
Who won that?
Me.
Well done.
Nika got loads.
Nika's got a lot. We'll tell everyone what the scores are in a minute. I got 21 for this round. Daddy got 16. How's it going, Squeaks?
Those are my good cards.
Okay.
These are all numbers.
Yeah, just put them in a pile for me and I'll sort it out.
She has loads of zeros. Numbers.
Right.
Oh,
16.
cube.
Let me do it.
21.
Ari had 0.
Yeah.
Mika had.
Reverse. Skip. Wild. 9. 1. 6. 0. 8. Skip. 4. 7. 1. 0. 2. 6. 2. 4. 9. 0. 4. 7. 7. 2. 8. 5. 2. 3. 1.
208.
It's not your worst. And what is the scores, please?
So, in 4th place is Mika with 4,614.
Yeah.
Then 3rd place is Aria with 4,039. And then 2nd place is Mummy with 3,004. And 1st is 2,959. Me.
We just need Daddy to lose a big one.
Yeah.
We just finished our 100th round of Uno and it is what time? 8 o'clock, which means it's bedtime.
Okay.
So let's go upstairs. Say night to Daddy.
Night.
The girls are now coming up to bed. So I'm going to put them to bed and then I'm going to do some studying on my laptop. I've got some snacks and an ice pole. Yeah, let's put the girls to bed. Oh, we brush our teeth, don't we? What else do we brush?
Hair.
Our hair.
Then we brush our bed with Daddy.
Come on then, Missy. Breathing medicine. Stop being silly.
If Mika laughs, I laugh.
Right, come on, give me that. Aria.
You just don't drop it.
Right, Ari. Stop. Come on. Good job, go brush your teeth. What's your dream?
Wait, I'm making cookie.
Put your fan on.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it's off.
No, no. What's your dream, little legs?
Mommy and me.
Love you to the moon, eh?
What's this?
Your breathing medicine. See you in the fart morning.
Mommy, do like that.
Okay, Google, play Peaceful Piano.
Sure. The Spotify playlist.
Night night. Ari's just doing her diary. The girls are in bed. So I'm now going to take off my makeup. I've only got makeup on because I filmed some videos. Too fucking hot to wear makeup. What's here? That is the end of our evening routine. This is summer holiday edition, obviously. When it's our summer holidays, they just go to bed earlier. Other than that, it's the same. We always like to play, after Fox has gone to bed, we always like to play like a game or watch a film or do something with the girls that's fun to end the day. We read Harry Potter. Yeah, just depends on what we're feeling, but We played our 100th game of Uno now, so that game is officially over. And we'll probably watch a film tomorrow night. So yeah, that was it. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I love you. Bye.